There's a dried up waterway. No water running today. The temps are supposed to touch 100, and even in the shade it's kind of warm. This is a side trail. Let's see where this leads. This is off of the Shady Hollow trail. I was going to stop at that fallen tree, but it's not blocking the path, so I think I'll keep going a little bit longer. Alright, we're just a little bit further down the trail, and the path is becoming less and less obvious. Alright, just hit a tripwire there. Oh, look at that. You can't see it. Spider web. A spider web tripwire. So there's another trail that branches off in this direction. You gotta hop over the tree to get there. This goes, I'm not sure where. I think it sort of parallels Shady Hollow, but I just came out here for a quick trek today and just kind of stuck my nose down this path, so I'm not going to go too far. I'm on my way back. Alright, we're rejoining the Shady Hollow trail and on our way back to the parking lot.